Suburbs in the city, lot size and location, two of your most important aspects in real estate, are here in abundance at 70 Dietz Avenue. Welcome inside, where we're going to start in the open living room and head through dining and kitchen. Enjoy cooking inside in the natural light drawn in by the large windows. You also have convenient access to your barbecue through the back door. Before we explore the fully fenced backyard oasis, let's check out the upper level, housing 4 bedrooms including the primary and a 5-piece bathroom. The access to the garage door is currently utilized as an open mudroom. And as you walk towards the basement, there's an additional room on the right with an ensuite bathroom, backyard access, and it's perfect for your overnight guests. The fully finished basement is primed for a rec room and houses laundry, a powder room, and tons of crawl space for storage. The L-shaped yard and playhouse are just the beginning. You also have access to a hot tub, covered porch, and barbecue. Get excited for spring when you have your own private garden. If you're in the market for a spacious family home like this one here at 70 Dietz Avenue, please do not hesitate to give me a call. 519-497-5923.